Hi everyone, welcome back to Emanuela's Fun Zone. In today's video, we're going to be growing our very own crystals from scratch with this very cool Discovery Kids crystal growing set. We can even grow 6 colorful crystals. So let's begin! Okay guys, so I finally unboxed everything in this set. So let me show you what's inside. We have these rocks that will help our crystals grow. We have this mixing tool. We have 3 different containers made to grow our crystals. And then we have different colored crystal maker things. So the first color is white, and then we have our pink crystals. I know on camera it does look like orange crystals, but trust me, when they're gonna be made, it's gonna be a pink. We have emerald, we have golden citrine, and we have our ruby geode yellow. So let's begin. First of all, we're gonna have to choose a crystal container. I'm gonna choose the triangle one because I think it looks the best. I'm gonna use this mold to actually make my crystals and this mold just to do the transferring. So the first thing that we have to do on the instructions says to get boiling hot water to dissolve our crystal packet. So let's do it. My cousin Precious is helping me with the hot water just so I don't burn myself and the stove. So now my older cousin is gonna bring the hot water. And now we have to open this fast. It has to be 3/4, so I shouldn't pour it. Okay guys, unfortunately it's not dissolving so far, but that's okay. We're just gonna go with it because most of it is dissolved. So the next thing to do is to take your other container and then fill it in with the rocks. And these are the base rocks just to get the crystal to start going. I'm gonna have to open this. Here we go. So I have the rocks and we're gonna just put them in. Just right there, you can see the rocks. And then I'm gonna be putting in my crystal mixture until it reaches the midpoint of the base rocks. And now we're gonna sprinkle the remaining crystal compound on the top. There we go. Okay guys, so now the instructions also said that we have to put a paper towel right at the top. And now I'm gonna store the crystals somewhere safe. Okay guys, so now it's 3 days after I made the crystals. Yeah, now it's Thursday and I just got home from school. So right now we're gonna go check the crystals to see if they've even started growing. So right over here, as you can see, I'm gonna open my cupboard. And right over here, I can see the crystal formation starting to begin. You can see close up that the crystals are actually growing on top of the base rocks. And this is not the crystal powder. These are the real crystals. It looks so cool to watch. Okay guys, so it's exactly 1 week later and I'm back here with the crystals. We're gonna see what they look like and if they've made any progress since then. So this is what it looks like. I actually think I did something wrong and the crystals aren't growing on top of the base rocks. If you notice, they're actually growing under. So under the base rocks is all of the crystals. Yeah. And the instructions actually said, so I had to mix up the crystals and the base rocks together so the crystals can grow on top. but I actually didn't do that, and the crystals only grow on the side. So next time we will be trying the crystals again just to see if they grow successfully. Unfortunately, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye everyone, and see you next week.